Canada Post announced in February that community mailboxes will be replacing their standard mail delivery method. In recent months, residents in the city have received a series of letters and surveys from the organization detailing the transition process and inquiring about their preferences in collecting mail. The postal operator says 20% of Fort St. John residents who were targeted in the survey responded with feedback.
That survey was really a tool to help us plan to choose community mailbox sites. We started the installation of the community mailbox sites. We are going to be finalizing those.
According to Canada Post, a little over 5,400 residents will be seeing a change to their mail delivery system, with a roughly estimated 150 sites to be built across the city. And these mailboxes will be maintained by Canada Post.
Community mailbox sites are the responsibility of being maintained by Canada Post, whether it's snow, ice, debris, name it. We already have almost 1,500 addresses served by community mailboxes in the Fort St. John area.
The organization says there hasn't been any layoffs since the transition. Instead, employees who've been affected have been reassigned under the collective agreement.
We said from the very beginning that we would take advantage of attrition, meaning that people who would leave for retirement or leave for other reasons, and we would not lay off anybody. So that's what we've done so far. If somebody's not ready for retirement and are affected on their route, for example, we reassign them to other duties.
An accommodations program has also been created to address concerns coming from people with disabilities who have trouble accessing their mail. Those individuals can call 1-844-454-3009 to have their concerns addressed. Canada Post says the community mailboxes will start to take effect later this fall. Faiza Amin, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.